Hi guys, welcome to my second video. It's raining. I don't like it. I'm trying to find somewhere to go under because I hate rain. I don't want my camera to get wet. And I'm at my big brother's house, and I hate raining. I hate rain. I hate rain. It sucks. I ate bacon and eggs, and it started to rain. When I came outside, it started to rain. I hate rain. I hate rain. I'll just hide from here.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I hate rain here, Emma. Sucks. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Subscribe, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. I hate rain. I hate rain. I'm gonna do this thing. Rain, go away. I don't like you. You suck, rain. Rain. I hate rain. Just hold on. Yeah, I hate rain. Emma, do you hate rain too? I hate rain. I don't like it. And that was the end of the video. Leave a like.